Hello and welcome to my tarot videos. In this video I will show you a 6-card spread. This spread is related to a specific situation. So let's begin. Considering that the cards have been shuffled, I will take the first card and I will put the first card here on the top row, like this. This card deals with the present situation. The next card will be put next to the first card, like this, and this indicates the situations that led to the present situations, to the present situation, the beliefs and all the events that led to the present situation. The third card is going to be put here on the second row, and this one indicates the lesson learned from this situation. The fourth card will be also on the second row next to the third card, and this card indicates how the present situation helped me. The fifth card indicates the future events that will follow after this situation. And the last, the sixth card, indicates how I feel about the future events. So this is a simple 6-card spread which is related to a specific situation.